To start, first, unscrew the screw and open the battery cover. Put the battery into the remote control. The remote control needs 4 AA batteries to power up. Next is to fully charge the helicopter battery. Connect the battery wire to the USB charging cable, and then connect the other end to the adapter or computer interface. The indicator light is on when charging and turns off when fully charged. When installing the battery, first, unscrew the screw and then open the bottom cover. Put the battery into the compartment and close the cover. Connect the battery cable to the power port at the side of the helicopter. First, switch on the power at the bottom of the helicopter. The indicator light of the helicopter flashes slowly. Now, turn the remote control on. The indicator light of the remote control flashes slowly. Move the left joystick fully up and then down. When the indicator lights of the helicopter and remote control change from quick flashing to constant lines, it means that the helicopter and the remote control are successfully paired. Method 1. To take off and landing. After the helicopter is paired with the remote control, move the left joystick up. All blades begin to rotate. Move the left joystick up again and it takes off. Then move the left joystick down. The helicopter lands and turns off. Method 2. To take off and landing. After the helicopter is paired with the remote control, move the left joystick up. All blades begin to rotate. Press the right joystick to make the helicopter take off automatically. Press it again. The helicopter lands automatically and turns off.